Yeah. Okay.
Woo! It's just a pallet. What broke?
The entire bottom of the pallet.
Yeah.
Oh, I did that when I let down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's only your fault.
Yeah, it's only a pallet.
It's paid for, right?
All right, it'll get lighter by the end of the day.
Well.
Man, won't like our engine staying here.
Well, you know, what do they expect?
It's an unusual engine size. I mean, you can't have everything.
No, you're supposed to take time
And make
build it.
Engine stand.
Legs for under here and steel under, you know, steel legs to support it and all that stuff.
But it's gonna be okay.
Around here that don't always happen, but it ain't gonna fall on nobody.
It'll only get lighter too, right?
It'll only get lighter, yep. All right, I think we talked about this earlier, but you probably saw where Eli and I dug out the other two motors and we did some investigating and realized out of the three I have, this is the only one that has a wet clutch. And none of them have this same front engine support bracket. So regardless of which engine we use out of the three, we're going to need the front and the rear basically of this motor. So before we just say this motor is no good, you know, it's parts machine only, we're going to go ahead and strip it down. This may be the best shaped motor we got. We don't know. But as we dive into it, we'll see what we got. If not, we'll break it all the way down and use it all for parts. So we got Dennis with us today. Silas is here, and this is before the biggest ice storm in 20 years, is what they're saying on the news. So,
but my weather app is saying less than an inch possible a day.
Yeah.
But it doesn't say less than an inch of snow or less than an inch of ice. So times 3 days, because it's calling for it 3 days in a row. Could be a lot of ice.
There are people west of us that are getting some pretty severe weather, so we're not making light of the front. It's just in our particular area. They go from 13 inches of snow to a trace of ice. So, I mean, the only thing you can trust is the good old weather rock.
Yes.
What's a weather rock?
Well, the weather rock, it's an infallible system, all right? So you have a rock hanging from a little tripod outside. And if the rock is wet,
It's raining.
if it's swinging back and forth,
It's windy.
if it's got white stuff on top,
It's snowing.
and if it's gone,
You better go somewhere else.
yeah, you should be
You
too.
got a hurricane.
So we're going to set up a weather rock before the end of today. Maybe not on camera. And I guess for now, we should probably start doing something.
Yeah, we're not going to get it done standing here looking at it.
No, as pretty as it is,
Yeah.
let's make it look more pretty.
I won't be as efficient today. I don't have my toothpick. So
Oh, man.
That's all right.
I'm feeling a little out of sorts.
It's all right, old man. I'm sure you'll.
But I do have
be
my
up
sweet
fast.
tea, so that'll make up for it. All right, let's get into it here.
The easiest removal. There we go.
It's almost like you put that on there last time.
Yeah.
So get some good pictures of it while it's sitting there.
Okay.
And then
It's Silas's job, right?
we'll start with the
Yeah.
top and work our way down. I mean, go from the top down and both ends inward.
Okay, we're taking the pony motor off. We got a little bit of oil with some water. A little bit of oil with a lot of water.
Well, honey. How you
Use
want
that small tub that's right there at your knee. We'll clean it up later.
We pretty much got everything major stripped off at this point, including the head covers, for lack of a better word. Oil filters, they're gone. pony motor has gotten a lot of the peripherals. I got fun of using that word last time, but I'm going to use it again. A lot of peripherals stripped off of here, so we're getting ready to get the lift and pull the pony motor off. And so, you know, work smarter, not harder.
That should do it, Eric. Tilt back a little bit.
We just need a little bit of wedging in here.
Yeah.
Pop. You get it?
I'm thinking that we'll have to pull this cover and take the gear loose of the shaft.
Okay.
Best I can remember.
There's a wrench lost down there.
Yeah.
We're gonna slide it out, so. And you need that bracket anyway, right?
Yeah. Starter pinion looks good. And it's brand new. They took this plug out and drained the oil out of that area.
Which plug where?
That plug right
Oh,
there.
right there. Okay. We have been fortunate this morning in that there hasn't been a lot of bolts that have just been, you know, rusted all the way through. Everything's, you know, you might have to put a little bit of torque on it, but it comes right off.
Well, that's very good. You know, actually, when we got this DW6, whatever it was, 8-10 years ago, we actually had it sandblasted because our intention at that time was to go ahead and do it then. But,
Sure.
But then things got in the way, and it just one day led to another, and pretty soon it's been 8 or 10 years.
But I mean, even sandblasting it, that wouldn't have fixed the threads. Like the threads would come off pretty easy. So maybe you said you thought the engine was bad in this one, right?
That's what we were told.
Right, and so maybe not.
Right. We were always told the engine was bad.
Yeah. So good.
So we've made some pretty good progress. We've been here, I don't know, about 2 hours maybe. And we've gotten everything that you've seen, obviously, stripped down. Getting ready to get to the biggest part, which is going to be lifting the head off to be able to look in the pistons. Now the engine is stuck, so that is a sign of how it's doing, but we got some good signs.
Pony was stuck.
Pony was stuck?
Yeah,
Oh, I think you said the
not
main.
the big engine.
Oh, do you know if it's stuck?
I don't know.
Okay. But we got some good signs. Like the gear in here, this connects to the starter, doesn't it?
Start and pinion gear.
Start and pinion gear. It looks really good. The oil is good condition. At least the top of the oil is good condition. The top of the injectors are good condition. The top of the fuel filter housing was in great condition. So most of the interior is good condition. That's a great sign. It does how the block is.
There you go. Far enough. That's all I got.
I'm going to try to solid that hood yet.
Good?
Yeah, let's go to the other end.
Okay. So this one's a little bit easier. Got this whole. Good?
Yep.
Put the strap under.
We get a little more higher and we can put the strap on it.
Okay. Another spacer. Which one you want?
Go ahead.
Oh,
A little
I
higher.
lost everything. Ah,
Can you get from the bottom of the head?
We don't want to damage that surface end.
Okay.
how about we
We
switch?
need to put that
Let's-
block there and then this one
Yes.
go in the hole.
Keep losing. Nope, sorry.
It's all right. Go
Get you?
Just barrel. I go under here, Don.
All right.
Oh, y'all thought you said you didn't want to mess that up?
Well, he's having a hard time. All right. Let's go to the other end.
So-
Yeah.
Down?
Yeah. Now I think we get strapped on there.
Yeah, okay. You want me to reach in?
Oh, here we go. We'll go this way.
I got the head bolts. Perfect. All right, gotcha.
You're good. Hold on.
Your bar.
Yeah. Come on over.
You need that 2 before?
Let's see a little bit of wood on the top of the
There, almost there.
Could have some damage. I think we got it now. Come on over.
Push it. There it is. Up.
Clear?
Yep.
Lay it on this table here. Right. Down. 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 Down.
You want a couple of these boards? Or you gonna leave it on the strap?
I just want to look at it. My own video.
There's a couple of them that are a little rough. Ooh, cracked lining.
Oh, yep. There's the reason that engine ain't no good. Sure enough.
So we took the whole thing apart for nothing?
No.
No,
Oh, okay.
that's what we were trying to find.
Oh, okay.
That's why the engine's back. Can you see that YouTube land? Here, we're gonna take you in a deep dive. There's the crack. We'll slip these out.
Where's the shot back?
These pistons look great condition though. There's just 1, 2, 3 that are rough, and
Yep.
then the last one with some bugs in it.
Do you see the bugs?
Are those cicadas?
Yep. 17 years sleep. That's where they decide to sleep. Down over the boat there, it's up around there. See, like, boat right there.
So if this lining is the only one bad, well, I don't know about that one. That one looks rough too.
I believe a mouse was living in that one.
After the fact, huh?
Yeah.
But if this, let's say if this is the only one bad, could you press that lining out and replace it?
Yeah, they're
Liner.
removable.
Okay.
Liner, yeah.
Liner. What did I say? Lining?
Yeah, they're removable, but why did it break? Did it break because water got in there? Or did it break because the connecting rod got bent and then,
We haven't seen the bottom end of the engine.
so.
Fortunately, there's no hole in the side of the block.
Yes.
There's no hole inside the block, but that doesn't mean that there's not damage internally.
Can I see that?
Okay, now that we got the head off, we found one mousy hole and another hole that's got a cracked liner. And we're gonna pull the engine covers off the side, and then we'll roll it over and pull the oil pan off and see if there's damage internally or if it's just a water freeze that broke the liner. So if it's just the one broke liner, I think we'll just rebuild this engine and put it in the tractor instead of breaking another one down and doing all the swapperoo. We'll just rebuild this one. So all we knew was a bad engine. We didn't know
How bad?
what made it a bad engine, but now we have one indication. Let's make sure that's the only one.
All right.
Wait, give me 1 sec. I got to write on it first.
No problem. Ah, I broke the gasket. I'm trying. Looks pretty good.
They do. I think it was this one that was the broken one, wasn't
No,
it?
it isn't. It's the first one. This one right there.
Oh, well, that looks good then.
Well, we'll see here as we turn it over.
Well, I mean, well, let's see.
This one.
The only problem with that cracking the way it did, it cracked the block too on the inside.
He's talking.
Shine your light in there and see. Well, you can't see, can you?
I don't see a crack, but you get down there.
It looks great for somebody who's going to have eye surgery Monday. Hopefully it didn't crack.
It doesn't look like it.
Yeah.
What are we looking at?
There may be a bent connecting rod, just because it looks like it's got some wear marks on the side. That would explain the crack.
So it's not water.
See, that's the bottom of the piston there. The liner is this part, the shiny part here.
I have to get a wrench for that one.
But it don't look too bad.
It'd be nice if we could take that off. It's stuck down here.
Okay, I got this.
There we go.
All right.
These look good too.
We'll see once we turn it over.
back down.
Yeah.
Yeah. They look just like the other ones. Well, that would do something, wouldn't it?
That bolt was running into that bolt through those two bolts.
Okay.
All right. There you go.
Doesn't that look so good, Papa?
That looks fantastic. It doesn't look like it has very much wear at all.
Uh-uh.
I'm pleased.
Sit over here at the tool bench.
I'm about to do a sponsored segment. A team building exercise.
So you. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
I'm just curious to know what it is.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Well, that's the bolt that holds the flywheel pulley on it. The fan drives the fan and the generator if you have one.
It's moving.
Is it?
Yeah, just
I
barely.
think it's bendy.
I don't think
No, I saw the socket move.
Well, I saw the handle bend.
Yeah, I'm seeing the handle.
Okay.
That, you're gonna break that breaker bar. You need to get a 3/4.
The bolt did move.
Did or did not?
It did.
There we go. Can't do it one hand.
Maybe it's left hand.
Oh, it's left hand.
Yeah. Never see somebody's been in there.
It's a what?
Left hand thread. Left hand.
Now, how does...
You
I
were
guess I
going
know
the
how
wrong
left
way.
hand works.
Hammer.
You got the lock off.
Yeah, I did.
You don't need that.
No. I got this. So what comes off next?
Well, you'd think this nut would, but it's been chiseled on several times. If that was left-handed, I bet that's left-handed too.
Yeah.
That would hold the pulley on.
2 3/4. This one's 3 and 7/8. 2 and 7/8. Yeah, that looks about right.
Any more there?
Yeah, I'll go.
I got a file over there on the bench if I need it.
You want grinder?
No, it's on.
He knocked it
I don't know
off.
if it'll come off, but it's on.
Oh, beat it on. Okay. Hit the bottom. It looks a little good. A little bit more. Okay.
Yeah, I'll take the blame.
Ready to go, Jeff.
Push, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ready?
Left-handed thread.
Oh, it's
The engine rolling. They quit. You're moving the nut
there you go.
now.
Right here, Bob.
He doesn't have. There he goes.
Oh, that's a lot looser now.
Prize bar.
Oh,
Just bring it all the way around. If you say it's that loose.
Yeah, I can do this.
Okay. All right.
Look at you showing off tricks.
Why didn't you do that to start with? See if you can pick up right there, and that's where we can slide this board down.
No, hey, we're fine. We're done.
how come you didn't do that to begin with? Hey, next time, open with that move. All right. Next time you should.
He'll edit all that out, so.
So this is not a left-handed thread, is it?
No, that's not left-handed.
Hey, look, it got it out.
Damage the thread.
It didn't hit threads.
It's been off a time or two.
Yep.
Somebody's added off with a never see.
Yeah.
So is that pulley supposed to fall off?
No, you don't want it to fall off.
UMass Sugar Corporation bought them to use.
Yeah. Well, they
Something's moving.
obviously took me to it or something.
There it is.
Oh, you said you didn't want it to fall off.
You're supposed to catch it.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Paper fit.
I need no tape.
Are we gonna?
Take the key off.
Here's your
Get you a
screwdriver.
pair of pliers or something.
Yeah, I got you.
Pliers.
Pliers.
Yes, and you know what that is. It just slides right off, right?
It's
No.
closed in.
Yep. So you're gonna. Have
So
to
where's
lift
it supposed to go?
Up.
Okay.
You want some different pliers?
Yeah.
Channel locks.
Yeah.
Take your hammer and your screwdriver and knock it up. No, knock it up.
I'm wedging it up.
No,
so
no, do like
knock
that.
it like that.
Do like this here. You come in here.
So.
Caught the edge of it.
Oh yeah.
Then
Okay.
you can take your screwdriver and do like that.
There we go.
Oh.
Look.
Okay. Yep. I see
So
now.
that's technically it's a Woodruff key, isn't it? Right here.
So what's the Woodruff key?
That.
Okay. Well. Okay. So what
It's
happened?
named after some engineer.
Named after Joe Woodruff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got you.
Joe Brown Woodruff invented the Woodruff key. So if it's a regular regular key, it's just a rectangle shape, and it could work its way in or out. So in order to capture it, to keep it from drifting left or right, they put a half moon in it. So now once it's in there, it can do this number, but it can't come out.
Okay, so we got the
Where's the box?
what, pulley off.
Oh.
Got that in off. So now we're taking some bolts off on that side, and they're gonna take the clutch assembly out.
Leave that one on until we finish here.
Okay. Yeah. There.
Really?
Sniff no more. What?
What do we think?
Looks good. There's a pin right here. It's caught on.
Oh, let me get that. Okay.
We'll just have to work it off.
Okay. Just like that?
Yeah. Get a pry bar now. Oh, okay. Go ahead and take it out.
All right. That's what I was waiting on the all clear for. Can we pick up on this or what?
Take your pry bar and work that thing.
Okay. How far out can we?
I'm not sure.
How heavy is it?
Should be that heavy. I'll hold that back
Okay,
up.
now you get to find a tight one, but I found a long one.
Set it down? Yeah. Okay. You have all the weight. I was just.
Yeah, that's why I said it was heavy.
Okay.
Oh. That shaft did pull right out. Huh. Didn't realize it would do that.
How does it? Oh, you saying you could have just pulled the shaft out? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How does it typically come apart?
Hold the cover.
I got it. The cover.
That's a good bit of weight right there. Well, that looks real good. I'm just surprised at the overall condition. You know, being sitting out for so long.
Yeah.
I mean, that looks new almost to me.
So typically, where would you see wear in an area like this?
You always look at gears for wear. You look at bearing surfaces for wear. The internal clutch mechanism is behind here, so we'd have to disassemble that. But the exterior, you know, of course, this ran in oil now. It's an oil clutch. You don't know the disc inside the clutch how they are, but
Yeah.
the overall appearance, the starting gear up here, the ring gear, you know, everything for a 1956 model.
So this either wasn't used very much, or it was well serviced, right?
Yeah. So if I'm not mistaken, we pull these outside bolts off, we pull them off, and that whole assembly should come out. And the whole purpose of getting to this is to the flywheel of the motor is behind all this. And plus we need to inspect the clutch. So give me a 3/4 and an impact and we'll go from there. Now give me a chisel and a punch. And we're going to dot these two covers in case there's some that's been balanced, so we keep it in the same orientation. Put some marks.
There you go. You got to get all up in the business.
Show the light down here where I can see what I'm doing. We got 2 dots there and 2 dots there.
So that's on like not mission like that surface is not like a contact surface that you're punching, right?
No, this is just the back side of the casting.
Okay.
If you came up here, you might have a
And to adjust the clutch, this whole assembly tightens up and loosens.
Gotcha.
one on the bottom of this one. Yeah, right here.
It's been a long time since I had one of these apart, so it may not come easily.
Oh, no, it's not.
I don't know. I need to be centered. There we go.
Oop, alright, let off. We gotta take this bolt out. Alright, now that's your clutch disc, you can see. So there's no wear marks on it. No dips, gouges, or anything. And this is your fiber disc.
Oh, so that's a fiber? That's not.
Well, it's a. This is your wearable material.
Oh,
this
okay.
disc. So this would come out.
That looks to be
Get a little screwdriver and we can pull that out. So this is your internal clutch disc. And we'd have to measure it and check the book to see how worn it is, but just by the naked eye, it looks pretty good. I imagine, now I don't know for certain, the grooves here, when it's wore out, that'd be perfectly flat all the way across. Wouldn't have the grooves in it. Here, I'm gonna lay that somewhere.
Yeah.
And then this disc should come out. Yeah, I think that looks real good. Let's take it and lay it back the way it came off. So to me, I'd say it's in real good shape, but again, not knowing what the factory specs should be on this thickness here, we'd have to mic it and see if it's serviceable or we need to replace. So here's the 2 bolts we needed to get at. These bolts here, that's what holds the flywheel onto the end of the crank.
You have to take that small gear off first?
No, that's hooked on the end of the. No, let's see. That's in
If
the
you spin
bearing.
it enough times, it'll probably screw off.
No, that turns on. I don't remember.
He tried it, didn't he?
Yeah. Now, Dad, you said this is called a fiber what plate?
Well, that's your clutch disc.
Okay, clutch disc. So
And this is your wear plate.
okay. So would these have been cast or would these have been machined?
Well, these are machined, but I mean they're made out of different materials. This is a bronze. I mean, this is designed to wear out.
Sure.
This is your replaceable part. This is replaceable.
Right.
This is replaceable, and that's replaceable. Okay. One thing I see a crack right here.
That's not good. Is that fixable?
I think that's a crack.
So now, if we were to take this
Is
off,
it fixable?
No, that's not a crack. That's a marking.
do we need to re-support the engine so we can get that off?
He's gonna.
If it's been hot, you would see small cracks all the way across it.
Oh, thermal cracking.
Yeah, I don't think there's any cracks in that.
That looked like it.
We really don't need to take this housing loose from the block if we're going to rebuild that engine.
We don't need to. How come?
If we're going to use this engine, we don't really need to take this off from the block.
Oh, okay.
Because
Unless,
everything is fine.
unless there's a gasket back there that I'm not aware of. There probably is. If we've gone this far, we might as well replace the gasket. Now this is the back side of your starter pinion. So when the pony motor's running, when you engage this into the flywheel, that's what cranks the big motor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see.
No, just taking this,
It's loose.
what is it?
It's loose. Yeah.
What is this called?
Starter pinion.
Starter pinion. Okay.
Not about you.
We need to take this cap off and look into the gears.
Oh, wow. Here she comes.
Well, our church said we will mind.
She's talking about some military
Here now.
things we need.
Oh, is that right?
It's not possible there's a gear in here with a pinion on it, locking it to the...
That's what I think.
No, it shouldn't be. It comes out as one big assembly. Eli, hold this.
That shaft.
Just hold up on it?
Yeah, he's gonna
Keep it from
he's gonna-
turning.
Yeah.
Oh, from turning. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's rotate. Hold it right there.
When we slowly rotate as you hit?
No.
No. Hold it.
Let go. Now hold. Let go. Hold.
Oh, okay. I didn't. You got a group picture. Hold on, I got a group picture on the.
How many bolts are in this thing?
4.
Oh.
Daggum!
Throw it.
There it is.
100 truck.
That did spring off, didn't it?
Yeah, I told you it would. We got another phone number lock there.
Here, I'll hold this.
That's a lot more than 4.
Is it?
6.
What do you think, Dad?
We're getting there. Yeah. Close enough.
Never mind.
Now you gotta hold it. You're not holding it.
Which way are you turning it?
I'm gonna turn this way.
Okay. Well, the gear slips, so I have to hold it by this. No. It's just spinning freely.
Push that back.
What are y'all trying to do?
Push it that way.
Engage it.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
You let go of your left hand.
Did you let go or did I break it loose?
I don't know.
No.
Feels like it's loose now.
Well, that's loose.
Good job.
Should be. Eli was up till 2:30 this morning getting it ready for release.
Now we need to do the front corner here. Where's that 9/16? Still that bottom corner holding on. You're bending this piston or rod. You need to get it down here on the bottom.
Bending what?
That looks like everything's flexing in there.
Well, that's because it's all connected to what's
It's all, yeah.
Yeah, I know,
See
but
what Eric's talking about.
right there.
I don't know, Eric. This thing is flexing, so like.
It is moving.
That whole thing should come out as one assembly.
Okay.
There we go.
Hitting me in the head. Sorry. No, that was Dad.
Need a better pry bar. Ricky, you want to hold that?
That one. There, you turn it. You can, there it comes.
Moving?
Yeah,
sir.
there's oil coming out too.
I was taking the whole seal out on this side.
Yeah.
You make it sound like it's a bad thing.
Well,
Well, it's just
we
creating
had
more work, right?
Yeah.
On the road.
Oh, hold on. It's coming out at a sharp angle. Oh, no, it's not. It's pushing against it. There you go. It's out. Oh, yeah,
we
that
just
seal.
ruined that seal there is the only thing.
But we didn't mess up any of the gears or anything.
No, no, we're going to replace the seal anyway. If we even put that back in.
did we? It looks like it's all chopped up.
Yeah, it's been,
Now, is this an engager for the motor?
this
Like
engage,
the
the
gas
pony
engine?
motor sits here and it's spinning the flywheel, which turns against this. And so then you manually engage the pony motor to the big flywheel back here.
Gotcha.
What is?
All the way around that.
Where?
Well, this was broken already.
Well, I know, but like that looks like it's come off. It's very rough.
Yeah, we broke that piece. Seal may come out this way.
Bing. One seal.
Ooh, that is bald.
Did you hear the seal landing?
Eli, show me.
I heard the seal.
It's all messed up. I don't know if we did that or if it was like that.
I missed it coming out. Was what was holding it?
Well, it had some minor cracks in it already.
Here you go, Papa.
Yes, I'll be home till Monday.
Oh, that's a seal.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it's a seal. Okay.
The other side's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
But you don't know if there's any other cracks. Could be
very expensive.
So that was what was holding it.
I guess that probably sits against the bearing.
Yeah. Okay.
But then the housing here is cracked. We didn't crack it,
Oh, okay.
but that's what that other piece in there is like connects up to here.
Oh, okay. So they had a problem with that once before somewhere along. 'Cause
Apparently,
Well, that's not supposed to be broke off.
no. Well, that ear, yeah, that ear was broken, and then all that.
Yeah.
We'll take the throw out there and the gear out.
Okay. What are you working on, Dennis?
I'm gonna pull that cover off real quick.
Oh, for oil.
The oil pan.
Yeah, oil fan.
No, that worked.
It's moving.
Be real careful with that.
Because of the bearing?
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Yeah, it does. You go set that on the table?
Yeah. This has been into before. All the scratch marks?
Oh, yeah. That wasn't you, was it?
No.
Let's make sure and clarify. You know, your punch or your chisel will only last so long if you hit the wrong end of it.
Well, I'm just flattening this out. I ain't hitting that hard. Smarty britches.
Pretty tight, huh? Breaker bar?
Let's have the air wrench. Milwaukee's good, but this ain't quite that good.
You gonna leave one in it? Or is it on shafts?
It's on the shaft.
Oh, okay.
Oh, let's mark it.
Will that not mess it up?
No, it's just a spot.
He remembers where it goes.
Here, I'll grab it for you.
You hold this part. It's gonna be heavy. Yeah, I get it.
Okay, well, I'm balancing
I
it.
got it. Yeah, we don't want to lose the green gear also. Alright, move the stool and let me carry it over there. Alright, well, in order to get the crank out, we gotta take this end bell off anyway.
That's through all these, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, there it goes.
Oil.
Some oil.
I'll shift that way. Keep going. Pick up a little bit.
Now on skid, what are we doing?
I got 2 blocks that we're on the end of it.
Okay, we got that part off. That's pretty easy, right? I didn't do anything, but
Alright,
it
I
was pretty
think
easy.
what we'll do is we need to make something to go on here that we can hook a strap to.
Okay, so we got 2 mounting points. What's this next plan?
We'll
Strap.
pick it up and get it over here on the floor, and then we'll reconnect and then roll it over.
The chassis.
Oh.
Alright, pick it up.
You filming?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Up and over. Well, I'm just trying to control the roll.
Yep.
Keep going. This other end's gonna be on the rail.
Alright, hold it right there, man.
Strap's not tight yet.
Come on up. Alright, hang on.
How can you gently let that down?
That's what it's long for. Come along.
Hey, look, YouTube crowd. Eli's doing something.
Wow.
Breaker bar. It's
Leave
even
one-
nicer when they actually go and get it.
Leave one in each end.
Okay. That's what I was gonna do.
There's 2 in that end.
Did you just say it's even nicer when they go get it? Yeah.
There we go.
I guess I should just go ahead and put more down here.
We will when he gets these blocks.
Snap.
You got one all the way down here on the end, too.
Yeah, but that one's not tight. Go ahead and take all these off.
Yeah. Now, grab your timber there, Eli. Move it.
You gone?
Yeah. All right, hold it right there. Now you put your hands up against this.
How about just push it?
Okay. You coming?
Are you pushing on it?
Not now. Sitting on this.
Yeah, we can lift it up.
Put your hands around here now.
That's not gonna pinch me, is it?
No. Here we come. Ready? There we are. Ready?
Yeah, we got heavy in.
No.
That's not that bad.
Over there. Over there.
Alright, so we're going over there with the other stuff.
We didn't want to do that. What happens? Those two.
Very easy.
Well, it's been in oil the whole time.
Yeah.
So.
Huh?
It's been in oil its whole life, so it should be pretty easy.
Yeah.
Break it down. Oh, okay, sorry.
Oh.
You're supposed to be breaking down how the oil pump works.
Oh, the oil
Oil
pump.
pump.
Oh, okay. Well, this is, we're looking at it upside down here.
But it's driven by a gear, right?
Yep, run off the front cover. This gear shaft turns to the oil pump. This is the bottom of the oil pan, so this is where it sucks up oil, pressurizes it, sends it into this line, and into throughout the engine.
And that's
Also,
a suction too, right?
This is suction too, because you got to account for the dozer going uphill and downhill.
That's why there's another one over here.
Yep.
Yeah.
And without that, if the oil ran away from the sump pump, like it's going downhill, all the oil wouldn't get in there, so it'd run dry, but it can pick it up from down there. Okay.
All right, so we got the oil pan off, oil pump off. So now we get access to all the innards.
The piston.
Oh, bottom of the piston head. Very clean. It looked very good.
No, it has
To me, anyway.
seal.
Yeah, the liners are good.
It's good to
So
me.
now we need to flip the whole thing over on its... continue flipping it up so we can take these bolts. What are they called?
These bearing caps.
Bearing caps off. Take a look in there.
Yep. I didn't even notice they had carter pins on all those
Oh,
up
yeah.
and down. Oh,
You're supposed to have a
a
little
little
bit.
bit. Yeah.
That's the one that's bad, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, the others are
that
good
one's
though.
probably bent.
So yeah, let's start with this one.
Okay.
Make sure that's the one that is.
Broke.
Either that one or that one.
Yeah, it's that one.
Piece of cardboard so you can lay out all your bearings, or no?
We'll bolt them back to the caps. You can take
Okay.
them off. But yeah, in the meantime,
Put them on some
Yeah,
cardboard.
can I start taking the pins out of the others?
Yeah. Looks good.
Right here.
ain't nowhere
No.
there. So
Hold on, Dad. Hold that up again.
This is the piston that is cracked. The lining. Lining or liner?
liner.
Liner's cracked. But that looks really clean.
I mean, it's been into before
Yeah.
because it's stamped 4 and 4 dots.
I put the
With
hammer
that
down
one
here.
being the broke one, I guess it'll go past that.
It should.
Sounds solid.
Yeah.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work. That piston's stuck. We'll have to
pull the liner with it?
No, I don't know if we can. We might just soak that. Let's see if we can turn this. We'll put two
Bolts on
bolts
it.
in there and try to turn
Turn
it.
it. Right.
I was just gonna see if we could get it to move.
Move it all. Solid.
That's probably just because of that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's finish taking the Carter keys out and we'll get the pistons.
Loosen.
All the Carter keys are out. Oh, those aren't.
These two aren't either.
Yeah,
Pistons.
I missed. I didn't do all the little ones. Okay, so Dad and Dennis have been working on trying to get this bar off. They're going to let it soak for a little while, or this bracket, excuse me. Going to let it soak for a little while. But while they were doing that, I went ahead and loosened up all of the castle nuts here on the bottom of the piston rods. Rain?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. So we're taking those off.
Huh? Yeah, we're taking these off.
Yeah. But
the piston is moving.
nice. You want to go catch it?
Yeah.
It stopped.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, we gotta turn the crank.
I mean, not shake your hand, but I'll give
Why do we
you
have to turn the crank?
There you go.
Because it's hitting,
Call
Oh.
me about your class. Tell me about your.
because we've got to turn the crank to get it lined up enough to go out the bore.
Hold on. When you take the stuff off, do the pistons? What keeps the pistons from falling out?
Nothing right now, friction. Let's take this one off because it's in line.
Okay.
And then we'll have to turn the crank.
Okay.
Dennis, drive safe.
Okay, so we've been working away trying to get these last few bolts out that are hitting, these two are fine, against the liner, right? Liner?
Yeah.
Okay. Against the liner. We can't get them out because they're hitting against the stuck piston. Because these pistons are stuck, it won't allow the cam to move no matter how much we pry back and forth on this. So we got it to move a little ways by hand, but it's just hitting back and forth on these pistons. So we finally got this back plate off.
Front plate.
Front plate? Oh, yeah, it is the front, isn't it? Got the front plate off, so that will allow us to pull the cam out.
No, not the cam. Crank.
The crank. I get them mixed up. The crank out so we can get a better look at the piston rods, right?
You're going to have to explain to me how... Will you just lift it out this way or pull it out this way when you get the
Well,
crankshaft
once this
out?
cover comes off, the crank will come straight out.
Oh, okay. All right.
This cover.
Gotcha.
So we got to get this off.
What if we just try and knock this cover loose? Because all the bolts are out except a few.
Yeah, let's go ahead and take that bolt loose. We have to move this piece.
It's time to take this block out, and okay, and we've got a hydraulic press here that we're going to pull the block out with. Now, why do we have to use this? Why can't we just put a bolt in it and pull it out?
It's a real precision fit.
Okay. It's moving now.
See how it's pulling the block up?
Yep.
Break it two-way. Yeah, it is. Oh, sorry, we're done pulling.
Oh.
You can take that off now. Ain't got enough hands to grab that. Alright, you grab that end, I'll grab this end, we'll just pick straight up. Don't drop it. Straight up.
Can we set it on the side of the engine?
No, go your way a little bit. Alright, I'm sitting right here. Don't let it roll. You gonna be able to hold it there?
Yeah, I think so. Don't take too long.
Drop your end down. Pick it up.
That's a big crankshaft.
It is.
Here's number 6. Got a split ring. Or the ring is split. What is it called?
Broken
What is the ring called?
compression ring.
Compression ring. Broken compression ring.
Number 5.
Anything wrong with it?
Not that I can tell. That's the stuck one. That's the stuck one. That's stuck. Number 1. We'll have to knock these out.
All right, Dad. So what are we trying to do now?
I'm gonna take this fuel tower stuff off so we can set the engine a little more flatter.
And then will that be
And we'll knock the other pistons out.
okay?
Okay.
Why is this not going off? See if there's more bolts holding this on.
No, I think I took them all off. It's just the shaft here that's looks poor shape.
I think it's just stuck on that. Where's that bag? This piece here. That triangle piece moving?
No. The brass fitting inside is collar. Alright.
That's got to be what it's stuck on, is that?
Shaft.
Yeah.
So we can just keep prying it out.
That, or I can drive that piece further out.
I think you should just pry it.
And try and hit it.
It's moving.
all out.
Got it.
That was the holdup. We really ought to drive them back this way.
So you flip the motor.
Either that or I just knock them up.
It's a little awkward
Well,
or hard or not. I don't know. That's up to you. You're gonna be the one hitting it.
let's lay it on its side.
Okay. It's moving. Yeah, it just moved that last hit. Oh, it moved a lot that time. Yeah, just keep it easy. Just keep it light. There you go.
Just rusted at the top.
Yeah, that's recoverable though, isn't it?
Should be.
As long as there's no cracks or anything in it.
Yeah, providing the liner ain't scored. Ready?
Yep. Oh, it moved.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, light, real light now. Oh, I got it.
That wasn't the one with the broken liner, was it?
No.
I think the next one is.
Yes. Yeah, it's the next one.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
The connecting rod ain't gonna hit nothing, is it?
No, I think it's already sitting on the block. No, I didn't budge. I think it moved a little bit. Uh-oh. The little collar.
Shit, I think I'll let it go.
Shell, okay. It's jumping, but not moving. It moved that time. It's just sliding against the block. Hold on a second. Oh, you gotta hold that. I don't like. It's moving. About an eighth of an inch every time.
Hard work.
Yeah.
Because hitting it with a block with a sledgehammer isn't going to crack the head, is it?
Shouldn't.
Head of the piston? Okay.
Oh, something chipping the fly.
It's the block. He's hitting.
You good?
Yeah. Still moving. Ooh. Glad my hand wasn't there.
Woo. That mistake.
But you did a great job getting it out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's from when it fell on the floor. Well, I mean, oh, like you won't know if it's cracked or messed up?
Yeah, we'll have to clean it up. Okay, there's your D318 engine components. So now we got to pull the liners, and maybe not today, but we'll do that next time. I'm ready to go home. But I think we'll make good progress.
Got the engine fully stripped down, right?
Yeah.
Found out that we can use almost all of it, right?
Yeah, I'm going to pick it up and give a good inspection of it.
Sure. So these two and this one were the ones that originally looked good.
Yeah.
And then these two were, or this one was okay. This one was decent.
That's the one.
And this is the one that was cracked. Is cracked.
Yeah. So come by here on the bottom side.
Talk about it.
You can see the bearing shells. It's got a few witness marks there, but
Is that,
I got a
do we need to
feeling.
do something about those marks?
No, I got just bad looking here. I'd say the engine was rebuilt, and then they didn't run it long until that liner broke.
Because there's hardly anywhere else.
Everything else looks good.
What are these marks here? Is that alignment marks?
That is your other shell that goes around here. They call this a shell.
Yeah.
It's got a little taper to it, so it only goes one way.
Oh, so it slots in.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, of course, this is your oil grooves.
Uh-huh.
Let's all go in there. I know these 3 liners or 4 ought to clean up real nice.
The 2 on either end?
This one here probably will clean up. It was just stuck. This one, of course, had to be replaced, but you know, without, you can see in this one, the piston doesn't go below this. The rings don't, I mean.
Yeah. That's normal though, right?
Yeah, the real shiny spot is where that piston runs all the time. So there's no grooves in it. You can just see a witness mark. So we'll have to take some calipers and measure to make sure it's not egg-shaped or anything. I mean, you can feel just a little wear, but
that's to be expected.
Again, it's 1956 block.
How do you replace a liner? Like, is it just is it a quote unquote simple process of pressing it out and pressing into it in?
Yeah, they go out the top. So we're looking at the bottom.
Yeah.
And on the liner, there's O-rings on here that seal, because the water jacket goes around that to keep it cool.
Seal around the outside. The O-rings are on the outside of the liner.
Of the liner, yep.
Yeah, okay.
And I don't have one sitting out that we can look at.
So when y'all restored the DW6B 16 years ago, you didn't go in the engine.
We didn't go in the engine. Now everything else, because it ran so good, we didn't feel the need to tear it down.
It ran before you restored it?
No, we got it running.
Oh, okay.
We just knew there was problems on the rear end, so we ran the engine and
on the B.
On the B, and it didn't smoke, it didn't knock. So we're like, well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So the problem with the B that we had, this is your input shaft into the transmission. All right, there's a bearing in here for the shaft. The input bearing it came apart. And so when it came apart, it sent a ball through the gearbox.
A bearing ball?
Bearing ball, yeah.
Huh.
So we had to replace a bunch of stuff in the gearbox. And then on the finals, I can't remember if it was the left or right side, but this is your steering yoke that throws the clutch in and out to turn this side. This is your brake band, and your clutch pack for this side's underneath the brake band. And what had happened here, I believe it was the pinion. There's a pinion here and then a final bull gear on this side. The pinion lost a bearing. A ball or something came out, I don't remember. Anyway, it had failure there, and it got between the pinion and the bull gear and broke teeth off of both pinion and bull gear. So we had to tear off, again, I don't remember which side. Had to strip it all the way down.
Now, how does a single ball bearing come out of a bearing and tear up gears?
Well, more than likely what happens is the cage fails, and then the bearing will wear to a point to where it can come out.
Okay. So it's just neglect, basically.
Well, it didn't get lubricated.
Yeah.
I forget where we put the parts. I got the parts somewhere that we took out just for looking at. But
and then I know there's a picture. I was looking through some old pictures, and y'all pulled out a giant block of ice.
Yeah, when we brought the tractor in, about this same time of year, is the winter time. So we didn't know which one was which about the problems that we were told about. So the first thing we did, we pulled it in, and I pulled this cover off.
Fine. Why did you pull the B in first? Why did you choose it?
Well, overall, it was in better condition.
Okay.
Appearance.
Yeah.
So anyway, we got it inside. We were just pulling covers to inspect. Well, when I pulled this cover, I looked in there and saw a bread loaf size chunk of white. Didn't know what it was. Reached in to grab it, and it was a chunk of ice because it was real cold a couple of weeks leading up to us bringing it in the shop. So that all that water had froze into a block basically, and I pulled it out, and it was probably from here to here, the size of a bread loaf. And I was like, well, obviously this is the one with transmission problems because it had so much water in it. So then we started tearing it down, and then, you know, went through the clutches and all that kind of stuff. And so before we tore the motor down, it spun freely. You know, we stuck some batteries in it, bumped it, it turned, primed the fuel up, and the thing ran like a top. You know, that's a D318, I think, engine in that one. But anyway, it sounded good, so we left it alone. And then we started, you know, diving deeper into the rear end and found all the other problems. I got a lot of parts from off-road equipment in Alcoa, Tennessee. They've been real good to me over the years. They're not sponsoring this video, but they could. And then, of course, Cat.
The parts warehouse?
Well, Caterpillar, you know, back then, you give them the serial number of the tractor and tell them what you're looking for, and a guy at the counter usually could find what you needed. Now, unfortunately, some of the guys aren't quite as knowledgeable about the real old equipment. Remember, this is a 56 model. That was a 62 model. So now you really got to have the part number in order for them to locate it. Like, you know, this is a part number right here. It's always a number, a letter, and then digits. And if you only have 3 digits, when you type it into the CAT system, you need to put a 0 there.
0 for what you don't know?
Well, no, 0 is just a placeholder. Like if this was part number 6B157, it wouldn't come up in the CAT database. But if you do 6B0157, it would show up. So because there was always a 4 digits there.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's just, parts can be found in different places, even if CAT doesn't have it, you know. But 9 times out of 10, you know, CAT will either have it, or sometimes when you look online, it says indirect replacement contact dealer. You know, that's usually a good sign saying they don't inventory it anymore. But there's different people like General Gear, you know, off-road equipment, and there's several others.
Third-party resellers.
Yeah, I mean, you know, anybody who dealt with construction equipment, new or used, they could help you find parts. But nowadays, you got to have a parts book. You know, I've got a parts book that covers the engine and the transmission. It's just this part here.
The custom part.
Yeah, the custom part never had a parts book, to my knowledge.
These parts don't have a number. It just doesn't exist.
No, I mean, the part number wouldn't do you any good because you couldn't order it from anybody.
Oh, well, okay, that's a good point.
You'd have to fabricate it. I mean, on our website, I've got drawings of where they hand drafted this out. And generally, if you've got a DW6, you've got something basic there to start with. Like, even if this was no good, you've got the basic physical size of it you could take dimensions off of. It's the internal parts that may not be available or difficult to locate, but it's pretty robust design, so unless somebody robbed parts off of it or cannibalized it in some way, you know. That.
I mean, this is 1/2-inch thick steel, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you can see it right here. It's not going to go anywhere, you know. And I don't guess we showed this on camera yet, but the other day we noticed a little contour here that is not supposed to be there. So put a comment below if you think you know what caused this. Pause. Okay, I'm going to tell you what caused this. Something got in the gear case here and got on top of the chain, or got between the chain and the sprocket. And when the chain came across the top of the sprocket, it made it taller than it should be, and it beveled this out.
So maybe that was one of the reasons why he got rebuilt.
That's more than likely the reason it got rebuilt, yeah.
Because all of this looks not professional.
No, they just caulked the mess out of that to keep it from leaking. And, you know, we have decided now that we're not going to tear into this part unless we have to. Just because I don't really, if it's not leaking now, it may leak when we run it, who knows, but we can always come back and fix this part without having to get into all this.
Because it's external. It's really easy to get to.
Well, it's easier to get to. Yeah. But anyway, the chain looks real good. You know, the sprockets in there look almost new. So sometime in its life, you know, not long after they quit using it, this part got damaged. So, but we're gonna leave it like it is. You know, normally it's flat like this. But I mean, you can look on the chain here, and there's no witness marks where it's been running in the sprocket.
So maybe
Yeah,
maybe they replaced the chain.
Oh yeah, they had to, because this would have worn the top of the link real bad when it scraped through there.
Yeah.
Because it just didn't go here and stop. I mean, it went all the way around.
Yeah.
So I imagine when they were driving it, that happened. He took a hard right turn. It's like putting the brakes on.
Yeah.
But anyway.
We're nearing the end of disassembly, right?
No, we're about 3/4 of the way done.
Oh, transmission's the last part.
Yeah, we don't know anything about that, so we're gonna pull it down and look in there, and then we're gonna pull the final or the steering clutches out and maybe replace those discs. We may get them cleaned up and they look real good. I don't know, but all that's available. I'm not worried about anything there. I'm not worried about anything in the engine. You know, it's just a matter of diagnosing what was wrong, in fact, wrong with that engine. So I think we pretty much will rebuild that engine. That way we'll have a numbers matching tractor. You know, that's important. But anyway, I'm tired. It's been a long day.
Yeah, you wore me half to death.
Yeah. So I'm ready to go home. Get something to eat. Hopefully Mama's got it cooking. What do you think?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay. Any final departing words?
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
See y'all.